Good morning and Assalamu alaikum girls. Today's topic is scientific method and the scientists use the scientific method for their investigation. Like you can see the stages in the scientific method. That first one is the observation. That's mean make a careful observation and accurate measurement. And the first one stage that is involved in the scientific method is about the observation, in which a person have to make a careful observation with accurate measurements. Next one, recording observation. Recording the observation or the reading in an appropriate form for the further use. And third one is hypothesis. Hypothesis is a suggestion, explanation that can be tested. Means coming up with the observation and the recording, a person make a hypothesis. Hypothesis is the suggestion that a person make for his experiment or the investigation that can be tested through the experiments. Mean next one, after the hypothesis a person has to make an experiments. If the results supports the hypothesis of the experiment, then we move to the theory. But if the experiments don't support to the hypothesis, then we have to make a new hypothesis. Means new suggestions we have to make, and then we have to do the experiment again. But if the results supports the hypothesis, then the experiments move to the theory. And for making a theory, if the theory is tested a number of times, if the experiment supports the theory, so the theory is tested a number of times and is still found to be true, the theory becomes a law of science. So that is the final stage of scientific method. Here I can give you an example. For example, if we observe that shadows are formed to block the light, mean that is our first observation, that shadows are cast when the objects block the light. Like you can see this shadow of the pen on the page show, that's mean there is a block, means that is a solid object that block the light to reach the page. So next one, we have to make the recording of these observation for the further informations. And next one, we have to make out the hypothesis. So our hypothesis will be that light travels in a straight line. If the light travels in a straight line, so that's make a shadow on the page. And so here we have to make some experiments regarding this. So I will give you some example. So here is an example to explain the stages in the scientific method. First one is observation. Like the shadows are cast when the objects block the light. You can see the hand that block the light and make the shadow. So that's make an hypothesis that light travels in a straight line. And to support this hypothesis, an experiment is done with the cardboard having the holes. If we put a light source in the one end, and you can see the light source through these holes of the cardboard to the next end, and if you put the cardboard in an irregular pattern, you cannot see the light source. That proves that light travels in a straight line, and this hypothesis becomes a theory. After being tested a number of times and found to be true, the theory that light travels in a straight line, finally it becomes the law of the science. So this is the example to support the stages in the scientific method. We will meet again with the next topic. Okay girls, Allah Hafiz.